Hi, good morning everyone. Line topic is going on. Now I told you just remaining one topic is left, that is shortest distance, and how to find the equation of shortest distance. That's I am giving here. Now see, first I am taking find shortest distance between two skew lines. So line is given. So once if they say line, then you must check the standard form. Suppose if it is vector, r vector equal to a vector plus lambda into b vector. If it is a Cartesian form, then that must be x minus x1 upon a equal to y minus y1 upon b equal to z minus z1 upon c. Clear? Means the line must be in standard form. Now see this question, this is not in standard form. So first you do one thing, convert this line into standard form. Now I am collecting ijk, all ijk. So that is, this is I and then minus 2j and then this is a plus 3k and then plus lambda into, I am taking here scalar, don't write here, don't take any common element, don't take minus common, you write down plus lambda because the standard form is r vector equal to a vector plus lambda into b vector. Clear to you? So plus lambda into remaining we have, this is minus I and then this another scalar minus plus j and then this is minus 2k, minus 2k. Clear? Once again see, I have written here I minus 2j and then plus 3k and lambda into, that is getting here lambda into, instead of lambda they have given here t. Clear? So t into, that is minus I and then this is a plus j and this is minus 2k. Now r vector equal to another line I am collecting, that is I minus j and then this is minus k. Clear? Plus s into scalar is given here plus s into, that is I another scalar here, that is plus 2j and then minus 2k. Clear to you? Minus 2k. Now what is a1 vector? A1 vector is I minus 2j and then plus 3k and b1 vector is, that is minus I plus j and then minus 2k and then a2 vector is here I minus j and then minus k and b2 vector is, that is equal to I plus 2j minus 2k. Clear? What is formula for SG? That is equal to a2 vector minus a1 vector dot b1 vector cross b2 vector, the whole upon magnitude of b1 cross, what is it, b2, magnitude of b, the whole modulus. Okay, fine. Now I am finding a2 vector minus a1 vector. Very carefully how to do this minus this, that is 0i, this minus this plus j and this minus this minus 4k. Now I am taking b1 cross b2, b1 cross b2, that is equal to, that is I, j, k, then b1 is minus 1, 1, minus 2 and b2 is 1, 2, minus 2. Now if I do cross multiplication, minus 2 and then plus 4, that is 2i and then minus j into, minus 2 and then plus 2, that is plus 2, so minus 4j. And then k into minus 2 minus 1 minus 3k. Clear? So b1 cross b2. Now I need for, as per numerator, a2 vector minus a1 vector dot, what they are saying, b1 vector cross b2 vector, that is equal to, what is a2 minus a1, 0i plus j minus 4k. This is one of the most important question, that's keep on your mind. Frequently they ask this question for 4 marks or 6 marks. Okay. Now that is equal to 0 and then this minus 4 and then this is plus 12, that is equal to 8. Now as per denominator b1 cross b2 magnitude we knew, that is equal to under root of 4 plus 16 plus 9. So that is equal to under root of 29. Therefore ST equal to, even if you are getting negative value, then you should present that becomes a positive because it is a distance. Clear? This much of units right up. Like this you have to find the shortest distance. So sometimes they will ask the formula, definition, what is shortest distance? Already I told you. What is the skew lines? They also, that also they can ask. So how to find the shortest distance? Do you clear this one? So for this you have to convert given line into standard form. That's keep in mind. This is A1, this is B1, this is A2, this is B2. Clear? Now see another question. What they are asking, find the equation of shortest distance, also find the shortest distance. Once if they ask equation, then the procedure you have to change it. See, also find what they are asking, also find SD. Okay, fine. So don't go for this formula. First you need equation of SD. See, now this is one line and this is another line. This they are asking. So you have to, you do one thing, convert this line into Cartesian form. You know how to change into Cartesian form? So that is x plus 4 upon 1 equal to y minus 4 upon 1 equal to z minus 1 upon minus 1. Okay, this point I am taking PQ. This is a P and this is a Q point I am taking, X, Y, Z. Okay, fine. Now this line also I am converting into Cartesian form, x plus 3 upon direction ratio 2 equal to y plus 8 upon direction ratio 3 equal to z plus 3 upon 3. Clear? Now how to find this equation of PQ? Now what I am doing here, let x plus 4 upon 1 equal to y minus 4 upon 1 equal to z minus 1 upon minus 1 equal to say lambda. This implies x is equal to lambda minus 4 and y equal to lambda plus 4 and z equal to minus lambda and then plus 1. Clear? So this point I got x, y, z. Now I am taking another line and let x plus 3 upon 2 equal to y plus 8 upon 3 equal to z plus 3 upon 3 equal to say mu. So this implies I am getting another point, which point? Q point, that is x is equal to 2 mu minus 3 and y equal to 3 mu minus 8 and z equal to 3 mu minus 3. Clear? So that means this both point I got. Now what I am doing, you know the concept. What I am doing, I am finding equation of PQ. So what I told you, skew lines means this is a skew lines and between that equation we are finding between this distance. Okay, PQ. So now see, you know one thing. We know that otherwise as per given, this PQ is, you take it, this is L1 line and this is L2 line. PQ is perpendicular to L1 and PQ is perpendicular to L2. Am I correct? So if two lines are perpendicular, then you know direction ratio dot product equal to 0. That concept, I need value of lambda and mu. If I have value of lambda, I will get point of P point. If I have value of lambda, I will get a Q point. Then 2-point form you can very easily get the equation of shortest distance. Clear? Now that's what I am trying here. Now direction ratio of PQ I am finding. Direction ratio of PQ. Very carefully how to do. So that is this minus this minus this. Clear? X2 my direction ratio x2 minus x1. So 2 mu minus 3 minus lambda plus 4. And then next to this minus this. So that is a 3 mu minus 8 minus lambda minus 4 and this minus this. Very carefully how to do calculation. 3 mu minus 3 plus lambda minus 1. Now that is equal to, we are getting 2 mu minus lambda and plus 1 and 3 mu minus lambda minus 12 and 3 mu plus lambda and then minus 4. This is the direction ratio of PQ. Now what I am doing, direction ratio of L1 I am taking, L1. Direction, this must be in standard form. Yes, of course it is in standard form. Direction ratio of L1, 1, 1 minus 1. And then direction ratio of L2. What is direction ratio of L2? That is 2, 3, 3. Once again, before considering direction ratio, you must check line must be in standard form. Now I am going to take a dot product equal to 0 because both are perpendicular. So 2 mu minus lambda plus 1 and then plus 1 into 3 mu minus lambda and then minus 12 and then minus 1 into this, that is minus 3 mu and then minus lambda and then plus 4 equal to 0. Now what I am getting, 2 plus 3, 5. Now 3 mu will be cancelled, so 2 mu. Clear? 2 mu and then minus lambda, minus 3 lambda, that is equal to, that is a 4 plus 1, 5, so that is equal to 7, that is equation number 1. Clear? Now I am taking dot product of this and this equal to 0, so 2 into this, that is a 4 mu minus 2 lambda and then plus 2 and 3 into this, plus 9 mu and then minus 3 lambda and then minus 36 and this into this if I take, now that is 9 mu, and then plus 3 lambda and then minus 12 equal to 0. Very carefully you have to do calculation. So that is a 4 plus 9, 13 13 plus 9, 22. 13 plus 9, 22 mu. Now again 2 lambda and then 5 lambda, 3 lambda will be cancelled. That is a 2 and then next only 2 lambda, minus 2 lambda, that is equal to. Now constant, that is 10, 46. Clear? That is equation number 2. Now solve 1 and 2. So that is, you can throw to divide by 2 here. So 11 mu minus lambda, that is equal to 23. Clear? That is equation number 2. So now solve 1 and 2. So that is, we have 2 mu and then minus 3 lambda equal to 7. If I multiply by 3 here, 33 mu and then minus 3 lambda, that is equal to 9 and then 6. Clear? Now if I minus plus minus, it will be cancelled. I will get minus 31 mu, that is equal to 5 minus minus 62. Minus 62 implies mu equal to what I am getting? 2. If I get mu equal to 2, if I keep in equation, which equation? If I keep in equation 1 implies, so that is a 2 mu, that is a 4 minus 3 lambda equal to 7. This implies 3 lambda equal to minus 3, so lambda equal to 1. So we are getting lambda is 1 and mu is how much? We are getting 2. Now I am going to substitute where? I am going to substitute here. So that is a P point. I need P point and another one I need Q point. Therefore P, what I am getting, x is equal to, if I keep lambda 1 here, 1 minus 3, minus 3 and y equal to I am getting 1 plus 4, 5 and z equal to I am getting minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. Okay. So P point I am getting minus 3, 5, 0 and Q point I am getting, Q point I am substituting here the value of mu is how much we got 2. If I substitute 4 minus 3 becomes x is equal to 1 and if I substitute here mu value is 2, 6 minus 8 minus 2 and then z equal to if I keep 2, 6 minus 3, that is 3. Now Q point we are getting, that is 1 comma minus 2 comma 3. Are you clear what I told you? How I am finding P and Q? Clear this one? Now I need equation of PQ. You have P point, you have Q point. Now see how to find the equation of PQ and how to find the shortest distance. Now equation of SD, equation of SD. That formula, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. As per this, if I substitute all the points here, this is x1, y1 z1, this is x1, y1. So means I am getting this point is, that is minus 3 comma 5 comma 0 and another point I am getting here 1 comma minus 2 comma 3. Now that is x minus x1, so x plus 3 upon x2 minus x1, that is 4 equal to y minus y1 5 upon y2 minus y1 minus 7 equal to z minus z1, z minus 0 upon z2 minus z1. If you want to convert into vector form, you can write down in vector form. Now we need SD, that is distance between 2 points, that is Q. Clear? So no need of using here SD formula. Now this minus this you have, that is 4 cos square. Am I correct? This is x2 minus x1 plus minus 7 cos square and then plus 3 cos square. Now that is equal to under root of 16 plus 49 plus 9. So that is equal to that is 25. 49 plus 25. So that is a 4 balance 1, 6, 7 under root of 74 units. Clear to you? Calculation you have to see, but I told you how to find, I explained to you here how to find the equation of SD and how to find this SD also. So no need of using formula here. This is also one of the most important question. So now I have covered maximum questions, maximum concept in line. Now we will start playing. So thoroughly you go all the concepts and start do NCERT question. So definitely one question will come from this line or plane. So next topic we will begin plane equation. Thank you children. Stay blessed and stay confident. Thank you.